Hey guys, today, let's learn how to recover your Twitter account if it got suspended. So in this video tutorial, if in the case that your X account or Twitter account got suspended, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to do this or recover this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So basically, what we need to do on here is to file for an appeal. So the best way to contact the Twitter support team is to tap on your browsers, and I want you to basically search for the Twitter support EEM. Now this is gonna show you the Twitter Help Center, so go ahead and tap on that. And once you're already here, basically what we need to do is to tap on the blocked and suspended accounts issues. So basically from here, we could actually proceed with the viewing. What are the specific things that we can do? Or we could also go ahead and try to contact the Twitter Help Support and Help Center. So in the case that we want to go ahead and do this, all we need to do is to proceed with actually sending them a request, or basically them to see what they can do to solve this issue. So let's go ahead and tap on this, on the account access, and let's say that appeal a locked or suspended account. Now it's gonna be solely redirect. Just do this, and if we follow these specific notes and instructions, basically, it's not necessarily gonna take us anywhere, since it just gives us a basic instruction of what to do. So the best method to do this, and to solve this problem, is to try to contact the Twitter's help support. In this case, let's try to tap on feedback on Twitter, and let's proceed with, of course, using or basically tapping on the issue that we have. So as you see, I just tap it on this option called the Contact Our Support Team, under the option to verify our account. This is also a way for us to contact their support team. And let's choose, of course, this specific issue that we need to regain access to our Twitter account. So let's go ahead and tap on this. Please tell us more option. As you see, let's see that we are going to basically not have access to your Twitter account. Let's tap on no, and then proceed with adding your necessary details, like your Twitter username, your email address that you can be contacted with, and as well as the last thing that you were able to access your account. Now proceed with sending the confirmation method to create this Twitter account, and then tap on submit to basically submit this requests for Twitter to view the specific problem that you're having. Then wait for a few business days until Twitter or the X get back to you and hopefully solve your issue. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.